How to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you have the updated version of iPhone. So update your software. For that, open up your settings. Then go to General. And after you're on General, go to Software Update and update to the latest version if there is an update available. After you do that, you can come back to your phone's app, and after you're on your phone app, make sure that you're on the contact section. You can tap on the bottom right here, and after you're there, tap on the list option on the top left. After you do that, you will see all iPhones. So this one right here, all you have to do is long press on it. Now this is basically all of your contacts. Tap on export after you long press on it. And here you can select what you want to share. Now if you want to share the social profile, you can tap on it as well. I'll just not do that. I'll not share the email as well. I'll just share the photo, first, middle and last name and phone number. After that, tap on done on the top left, top right. After you do that, you'll get this option called AirDrop. Make sure that you've turned on AirDrop for your iPhone and the one on the receiving end as well. If you haven't done that, swipe down from the top right corner and there you will see AirDrop. Turn that on and turn your Bluetooth on as well. After doing that, you can tap on AirDrop to start sharing it. Now here you'll find the option for your another iPhone. Tap on it and accept it on the other side. And after that, your contacts will have been transferred. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.